Hello and welcome to EasyTechGeek. Today in this video we will learn how to fix the start menu not working. The start menu here, if it's not working or Windows Explorer is not working, I'll tell you 4 powerful easy steps to follow and you will be able to fix this issue by yourself. Just follow me. Okay, so let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to reset the Windows Explorer. Now, since the start menu is not working, you need to open the task manager by this way. 2 ways I'll let you know. Either you can press Ctrl, Alt and Delete together and it will open this. And you just need to click on Task Manager. Okay. And here, and the second way is also pretty easy. You need to press Ctrl, Shift and Escape together. I'll repeat, Ctrl, Shift, Escape on a keyboard and it will automatically open the task manager. Once it is open, look for Windows Explorer. Now you can maximize it and here look for Windows Explorer, select it and restart. Once you click on restart, most probably in most of the time for you it will fix the issue for you. Alright, and if it doesn't work, we will go to the second step. So how we can proceed with the second step? Type in the search bar or from the same task manager, because your start menu is not working, open the task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape, go to File, Run New Task, click on Create this with administrative privileges and here type CMD and hit enter or click on OK. And here type SFC space / a stick which is bent towards right side, scan now, and you need to hit enter. The moment you will hit enter, it will begin the system scan and it will take 2 to 5 minutes to scan the whole system and then you need to restart the machine. So we are done with the second step and it will fix the problem. Let's say if it doesn't, then we will move it to the third step. Now the third step is reset the start menu with default Windows 10. How we can do that? I'll mention a script in the description of this video where you need to copy it and open the task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape together and go to the file menu again, run new task, create this with administrative privileges and type here PowerShell. Now once you open PowerShell, paste this code, this script which is there and hit enter. This will reset the whole start menu for you, not the whole computer. It will only reset the start button, start menu, the Windows Explorer, and just once it is done, restart the computer and it will fix the problem for you. So this is the third step. Now the last step is, let's say if it doesn't work, then we need to move to the last step, and that is to reset the machine. We need to use the system reset. And how we can do that? We need to go to the file menu, run new task and check mark this and here type system reset. This is the last option if it doesn't work for you. And once you click on that, you will get 2 options, keep my files or remove everything. So if you don't have any important data, you can click on keep my files, follow the instruction and it's pretty easy to do it. And I would recommend to remove everything because it will just like become a brand new computer. So most probably it will not have any issues and you can use the computer the way you want. And hit the like button and subscribe button for this video. If it doesn't work, any kind of issues, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you. I will definitely comment on it. So hit the like button, share button and subscribe for me. I need your support, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.